Good evening, Doctor. My name is Nazmi Haikabe Cairo, and I will be giving a brief introduction about the assignment that we have been given. In this assignment, we have done our research into some aspects of Unity Engine. Unity Engine is a game and app development tool made by Unity Technologies, or formerly known as Over the Edge Entertainment. The game engine allows developers to create apps and video games easily. The engine's first appearance was back in 2005 with the release of Unity 1.0. Although the game engine is not as powerful as it is today, it was still a very versatile tool for developers. The engine supports various aspects of application and game development, including scripting, 2D and 3D game experience, and multi-platform support. This allows the game this allows the game engine to become one of the most used game engines, as it simplifies the tedious work that may occur during development of an application or video games. In fact, one of the biggest hurdles of game development is providing support for different platforms, such as macOS, Linux, and Windows. Our research covers one example of a game developed using the engine, which is a game titled Hollow Knight, developed by Team Cherry. We have also researched one of the concepts of computer graphics used in the process of developing said game, which is anti-aliasing, and we have provided the different examples of anti-aliasing used in the game engine. This allows us to deepen our understanding of the mechanisms of the engine.
Greeting doctors, I'm Jung Jun Hong. Now I'm going to present about the applications developed using Unity Engine. So Unity Engine can be used to develop many applications, including two-dimensional and three-dimensional games, and also interactive simulations. One of the popular applications made using Unity Engine is Hollow Knight. Hollow Knight is a challenging Metroidvania action-adventure video games which allow players to play as a little bug and fight against deadly creatures while exploring unique and different maps in various designated levels. So Hollow Knight is released in 2017 and is developed by a small indie studio based in Australia called Team Cherry. So Team Cherry made use of the development tools in Unity and extension available on the asset store in order to create a stunning two-dimensional arts and visuals in Hollow Knight. They built different levels in the games with two-dimensional asset layered in a three-dimensional environment by making great use of Unity two-dimensional features. So these features include the two-dimensional physics, sprite packers, and particle system. So Hollow Knight was initially released for PC, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and then it was ported for different platforms, including Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, and Xbox, after receiving a great positive critics and reviews. So these are the sample image of the gameplay of Hollow Knight on PC, developed using Unity Engine.
Good evening, Doctor. I'm Chua. Next, I will be going to present about the computer graphic term file for our group, which is anti-aliasing. Basically, the meaning of anti-aliasing is a computer graphic technique that reduces the judged edge on diagonal or curved line in digital image. For this technique, the number of pixels needed to render an image are reduced to eliminate the staircase effect so that a smoother and more realistic image is produced. Besides, the anti-aliasing, also known as method of manipulating pixels through adding gray pixel along the edge of a line or curve to blend in with the background color, so that the visibility of the judged edge will be reduced through the blending process, which depends on the resolution of the image. There are several types of anti-aliasing, such as supersampling, multi-sampling, and fast approximate anti-aliasing. Regarding on its working principle, it will sampling multiple points within and around each pixel and calculating an average color value so that it will blur the edge of object. With this technique, it can improve visual quality, reduce eye strain, and improve test reliability. Furthermore, these are the sample images for the difference of without and with anti-aliasing. From here, we can see that the edge of object are blurred and the judged edge are reduced. Moreover, this sample image shows how anti-aliasing technique is applied in the game.
Based on this assignment, we can see that necessary computer graphics concept used in game development, such as anti-aliasing, can be quite tedious and time-consuming without the help of a third-party application such as Unity Engine. Even with the help of a game engine, Hollow Knight, the game that we have picked as an example, took nearly 3 years in order to be ready for publication. Here we can conclude that the existence of a game engine is necessary in order to assist game developments, especially in smaller independent groups such as Team Cherry. Finally, we would like to thank each of our group members for giving it their all in order to complete this assignment. Their contributions has been meaningful and necessary. We would also like to extend our gratitude to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Goh, for giving us assistance and providing necessary materials for our reference. Thank you.